I'm back from the pond. Flopsy. He's flopped. I see his little tummy moving. He is flopped and comfortable. He looks like a little rag doll. I just brewed myself some tea. I'll definitely be picking up once I head to the pond anyway. It's on the pond or whatever. The only thing about doing sit-ups on camera, is that if I lose count, I have to go back to my video and watch and count my fucking sit-ups. And just sit there one by one. That's the only annoying thing. Doing it on camera. At home, I mean, if I just do it without any evidence, I don't have to worry about. But I know I did over 100. I think I'm around 150. 150, 140 sit-ups. Then I read some of my book, Wizard's First Rule, because it was such a lovely day outside. My garden is gardening. Flopsy is just sitting there looking. I don't want to bother him while he sleeps. I'll let him lay down. He is very comfortable. Flopped over. Flopsy flopped over.